is that we all get it. Don't give in to the pain, just keep living, cause
got dreams I'm striving for. So I'm gonna live higher. I'm gonna live higher. I got dreams I'm striving.
What's up, guys? It's Toby Rosario, and in today's video I wanted to talk about what I created. This took a long time to create. Spent a lot of time doing this. I was essentially going to come out with my own course, but what I decided to do was essentially turn it into just a mind map, and but it has everything you would need in a course. I was going to charge for it, but I decided not to do that. I decided to essentially give it away for free. Right. So pay attention in this video on how you can get this essentially free course on how to wholesale houses. Whether you got you're trying to get your first deal, you got a deal, and you're looking to get more deals. This mind map is essentially going to walk you through all the processes and things like that. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the slideshow. Alright, so just so you guys can see how much information is in here. So this is just the introduction. It is the tools to get started. Alright, so just kind of go over. What you would do is, and I'll show you the whole mind map, but essentially it just gives you the tools to get started, all the tools that I use. And then these are clickable links, so you can click those links. It takes you to a website where that recommended tool or resource is. Alright, so that's just part of it, right? So that's just tools. So it's like kind of the introduction, what this mind map is all about. Before I continue, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, that way you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, don't forget to give this video a like. It does help with the algorithm. But so essentially, there's an introduction. Let me go back to the introduction here, just so you guys can see what where is it? All right, introduction. I'll show you the whole mind map, but these are the tools right here, okay? And then the steps. And then also single repair sheet. I'm just going to stop the slideshow and just kind of walk you guys through each. So here's the mind map. Again, you're going to click these little round things, and then it opens up the idea. So look at this. So read what all this says. Talk about essentially what is wholesaling. Give some examples. Some things here. How to calculate the offer. Some examples. Right? So this took me a long time, guys, a long time, and again, I was going to charge for this, and here's what I'll say. I purchased some Google courses out there, and I promise you this is the same type of quality where they charge you $500 to $1,000. I promise you. All right, so just a couple things here you can click just for the introduction, right? Then the tools. These are the tools. CRMs, apps, software. I do have my Facebook group there. If you're not a part of it, I'll have the links below. The steps, right? Where to put the list, how to market research, marketing campaigns. I mean, this thing is jam packed. Let me show you how big this thing is. This thing is huge. I mean, it's very detailed. You might not be able to see it because it is a little, but it breaks down different type of marketing channels, cold calling, direct mail, the list, bandit signs, driving for dollars, RVM. If you're marketing on a budget, what to do. Action checkpoint items, talking to sellers, the scripts. What else? How to qualify a lead, inbound scripts, outbound scripts. I mean, this thing is loaded. This is essentially a course. It took me a long time. This is a course that I created for you guys, so you guys can close some deals, right? Making the offers, questions to ask, how to comp properties, how to get cash buyers, how to quickly screen buyers, making a cash offer, one-page contract, follow-up, I mean, how to calculate repairs, follow-up process, what you should be doing, how to find cash buyers. I mean, there's a ton of, I have videos, takes you to links to videos, bandit signs, and things like that. Let's see what else. Locate zip codes, action items, and then closing the deal. Some important things, and again, these take you to another tree. Potential ways. I mean, this thing is loaded. I wish, let me just take out all these things so you guys can see how big this thing is. This thing is huge. It takes a lot of time to do this. I don't have to do this. I could charge for this, I promise you. Same type of quality as the Google courses out there that people are charging you $500 for. The scripts, I mean, this has everything. The outbound scripts, the contracts, resources, how to calculate repairs. Let me show you a bigger picture thing of this. I mean, this thing is huge. I mean, it has everything. You might not be able to see it. It is a little hard to see, but essentially it has everything you need. Now, in the beginning of the video, I said you're gonna have to follow directions on how you can get this. Right? So how you get this, you have to follow the exact steps I'm laying out, because I want to know if you're paying attention. Okay? So in order to get this, you have to, number one, give this video a like. Okay? Number two, comment below mind map and your email. Okay? Mind map and your email. Again, give this video a like. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to give this away until I get at least 50 likes on the video. And then also, comment below mind map and your email. Comment mind map and your email. If you don't follow those exact instructions, you will not get this mind map. Give this video a like. Comment below mind map and your email.